Every single day, thousands of Roblox games are fighting for a spot on the front page. But I wondered, can I make a front page game in just 10 hours? But is it even possible to make a game for 10 hours? Well, let's try. But first, I needed a viral idea. So I decided to ask my friends for help, and of course, absolutely nobody responded. Thanks, guys. But then it hit me. If my friends won't talk to me, why not build a game where lonely players can actually find a teammate to play with? A fully working Tinder app inside a Roblox. Honestly, I had no clue where to start. But since scripting is my strongest suit, I logged in and started with the core layout, designing the profile template and coding the system to fit active players straight into swipe pool. Right after that, it was time to build the initial GUI mockup. The whole game is built around swiping, just like Tinder. Swipe right if you want to team up, swipe left if they not your vibe. Okay, I think it's pretty nice. But here's the catch. In Roblox, a smartphone is just a dead piece of UI without any code. It cannot do anything but its own. So I had to write a message script from scratch just to handle every single input, click, and swipe we make on the screen.
One hour later.
And after like an hour, we have this. Let's try it. Okay, it's working perfect, I think. Yeah, okay, almost perfect. Let me fix it. And okay, now it's totally perfect. Finally, it's working like it should. Next up was the match UI. This is the moment every player is waiting for, so it had to feel incredibly satisfying. The match moment must feels like a total celebration, and I think it's really look perfecto.
Sí, excelente.
Let's test it with 2 players, and it's working. Yeah. I added some things like text selection. You see, you can select text, of course. Then it's likes received and your match. But then I hit a massive roadblock. If you and another player are on the same server, everything is perfect. But if you're on the server 1 and she is on the server 4, for example, Roblox servers can't talk to each other. To fix this, I implemented cross-server data updates. Now, whenever you press like, the script instantly updates the global database. I tested it with 2 accounts, and let's see if it's working. As you can see, everything is fine. Let's try like it from this page, and yeah, it's a match. Good. Okay, now the worst part for me. I never built a map in my life, so it should be the ugliest map in history of Roblox. So I'm not lying. Yeah, this is really awful. But I don't have time to fix it and I don't know how to fix it. So for the first time, it can be. Yeah, really, it can be. Our app is working, so it's okay. So what do you think, guys? Does this game actually have the potential to go viral on Roblox, or did I just waste 10 hours of my life scripting a useless dating app? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.